How to fix Cash App won't let me order a card. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix the issue if Cash App won't let you order a card. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app where you can find various options to help you navigate different areas of the app. From them, the one we need is at the top right corner of the screen, the profile icon. Tap on it to access your Cash App profile section. Once you're here, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you reach the bottom, look for an option named Support. Here it is, tap on it and wait for the page to load. This is the Cash App support page, as you can see here. On this page, there are different categories to help you get assistance. Scroll until you find the option named Cash App Card. Tap on it to access more card-related options. These include common issues faced by users. From them, select the one named Getting Your Card. After tapping on it, you will be taken to another page with additional sections. From them, choose the option named Ordering a Cash App Card. Once on this page, scroll to the bottom and tap on the Chat option. A chat window will open where you can talk to the support team. Be sure to clearly explain the issue you're facing, including any error messages if possible. Finally, send them the message and give them some time. They will respond with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to fix Cash App won't let me order a card.